springing. The trick is to keep a firm hold on it with one foot. Then you can tie the knot with your beak. It's a simple firm one, and all subsequent work will literally depend on it. Knotting takes practice, and this young bird is having a little trouble. The next step is to weave a ring. But you can't do that until you've got the first knot right. The ring has got to be big enough to allow its maker to slip through, and not so big that it will allow larger animals to. But it certainly mustn't be too small. The strips have to be fresh and supple, and the birds get supplies from nearby. They tear off the strips by gripping the side of the grass blade close to the ground and then straight up. Once the ring is complete and firm, work starts on the roof. The novice still has his problems. Their technique, in essence, is the same as that used by human weavers. A strip is threaded alternately above strips that run at right angles to it. In the beak of a master craftsman, this produces neat and beautiful results. In less skillful beaks, well, not so good, but he's learned. Very critical eyes are watching progress. A female selects her mate largely on his ability as a weaver. He calls attention to it with his fluttering wings. But others have the same idea.